Hi, welcome back to Truffle Kitchen, and today we're going to make homemade Oreo ice cream. Before we start cooking, please check out the description for the amount of all the necessary ingredients. You won't believe how rich, smooth and creamy this ice cream is. With just 3 ingredients and just as many minutes to prepare, you can just whisk, freeze and enjoy. No need to churn. First of all, measure out whipping cream and whisk for 1 minute. Add condensed milk and continue whipping until it starts to thicken and form peaks. Place Oreos in a Ziploc bag and crush them into small pieces. For this, anything comes in handy, like a rolling pin, a cup, or even a hammer. Gently fold crushed Oreos into the whipped cream. Make sure not to overstir, as this will loosen the cream. Transfer the mixture into a previously frozen baking dish or a suitable container, sprinkle with more Oreo cookies and freeze for at least 3 hours. This indulgent dessert is ready to be enjoyed. The kids and adults will absolutely love it. In fact, it's so good that you will never buy cookies and cream ice cream ever again.